Let's cook adlay rice. One scoop. We will remove the laurel leaves.
Why?
Let's remove the laurel leaves. The laurel leaves is for to maintain the good smell of the rice and so that there are no ants. We will wash this rice. After washing your rice 2 times, we will put clean water. Clean drinking water. Wait lang. The measurement, you can use your pointy finger and the first. I have a tip for you. As your reference so that you don't need any measurements, you can use your point finger at the first line. That's how much water you will put to cook perfect rice.
Wash rice 2 times. Use clean drinking water for cooking.
Make sure to seal your rice container and be careful when plugging in your rice cooker.
Kusina ni budang.
Budang!